Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have full admin rights and two-factor access. Otherwise, you cannot remove the business manager. Next, transfer or backup ad accounts, pages, pixels, and shared assets so nothing breaks once the manager is gone. Then open Business Settings, navigate to Business Info, and select the Remove or Delete option. If billing or pending invoices exist, clear them first. These steps prevent data loss and ensure the removal can proceed without account-level blocks. Once done, focus on complex asset transfer. Reassign pages, ad accounts, and pixels to other business managers or individuals, because ownership locks will block deletion. Pause or stop active campaigns, export reports and billing history to retain records, and verify ad spend settlements. Make sure integrations and API tokens are revoked or moved. Apps linked to the business manager can prevent full removal if permissions linger. Taking these detailed actions avoids orphaned assets and ensures the business functions continue under new ownership. You finish by confirming all invoices are settled and every required admin has accepted asset transfers. Incomplete approvals will cancel the removal. Click Remove, confirm the prompt, and expect propagation to take up to 24 to 48 hours for all services to reflect the change. If removal is blocked, check for pending page or ad account claims, unresolved disputes, or insufficient admin roles. If issues persist, escalate to platform support with screenshots and transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.